Exactly. Hey guys, oh my god, I'm running late for my baby cousin's christening. I'm on my way now. I was supposed to get there at 10 and it's like 11:20 now. Not even gonna lie, I was having like a little moment this morning. But yeah, I'm almost there. And then after, I'm gonna have brunch with Lay and Camilla. So stay tuned.
Oh, you didn't know?
Okay guys, so I'm back from the christening. I actually changed and this is what I got on. Yeah, so the restaurant is actually in the city, so I'm gonna be... Hold on, before we continue the video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and bang that notification bell. Thank you. Now let's get back into the video. You on my way now. Check y'all in a few. This is my friend Camilla. Yes, so where we at?
Cafe Cortadito.
Cortadito. Yes. We're waiting on Lay now. Of course she's late. No, let me not.
In the vlog.
Of course you're in the vlog.
You said in the vlog because I walked on the vlog. Oh, that's what that was.
Yeah. We ready to get the drinks going because why not? Like,
I would tell the fuck out. That's what that is.
exactly.
My friend Lay, she finally here. I made it.
Oh my god. What y'all thought about the food?
The food was really good. It was really fresh. My fries was a little but it's alright. Sometimes you like to surprise.
Facts. What you thought about it?
It was delicious.
So,
Nice and healthy.
so I kind of tried a poached egg today. I had like a little piece, but it didn't really taste like nothing. It tastes like...
You not even taste it. It was a sliver of a piece.
I had a huge piece, alright?
She had a piece of a piece of a piece
I had
of a piece.
a huge piece.
She had 1/100th of an egg. You know that little bite that Goodwin took at Krabby Patty? That's what Malika had.
It was a nut. Hey, 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 hey.
Drink. Excuse me. How much are these? How much is the Tropicana?
She make it. She make it clap, clap, clap. She make it clap, clap.
And today I am headed to my friend's girlfriend's birthday barbecue. But before that, I have another stop to make, and it's also my people's barbecue. So yeah, just barbecues all day. The weather is really nice today. It feels like it's 90. So yeah, we about to have a good time. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and bang that notification bell. We headed to the liquor store because these people didn't even start yet. So yeah, it's supposed to start 2 hours ago. Here we go. All right. Cheers. Hey.
What you really wanna leave a one way? She trying to hang on, feel like she asleep. Just trying to stay the whole week. I'm like, oh nah, she gotta go.
It's early. Early takes for the girls there. Early takes. See, too much champagne.
But I drop your moral, they keep man, we have 20.
Too much champagne.
Party now. Word to the we go right to the dealings, right?
Can y'all believe this weather? Like, it's about to be June next week, and this snow is arcing out here. Ridiculous.
Like literally for like the next 7 days.
Right.
No, I don't like it. It's
Ridiculous.
ghetto, take it back.
Right.
Take it back.
But we about to be on our way to the shoot. It's lit. Video shoot. So stay tuned.
Oh.
We in the car now. The van.
Yes. This is a
Yes.
Get together.
There's your place. So get on your phone and start chatting to the no, okay. So we're gonna go get Gloria.
Yes.
And then we are headed to the Boondocks for the shoot.
Yes.
Yes.
We just got to the house. So nice. So excited.
If it's easy for you, you can get dressed in that room right there. So like that you.
So here we have director.
Penny Gray.
Yes, yes, yes. What have you worked on?
I've worked on, most likely because I just say who I've worked with. Shaggy, DEMARCO,
Bop, bop, bop.
Little Tecker, JADAKISS.
See, so we with the best today. We with the best, all right? It's about to be a great day. Just got dressed for the first look. It's actually gonna be a date night look. Hey. So guys, this is Gloria. Tell us how you feeling.
I am feeling pretty good.
That's good, that's good. Looking great in your black and gold. Yes. Okay, we're about to start. This is the artist behind me. Okay, outfit.
Good evening, pretty girls.
Yeah, man.
Life sweet when your life full of hate hard. No one change my life. It can be a easy move.
So we're about to do our second scene. And time is really flying, like it's already 3 o'clock.
Yes.
But yeah, it's going great so far.